New York. Yukarok Station. Ayan na, BIC camera na. Sana naman, Lord, ito na po. Sana meron pa po, Lord. Saan tayo? There you go. And let's see if it's a bit... Oh, stop! Finally, I found you. Okay. That's the price. Out of stock, this one. Okay, tax payment, this one. But it's all complete. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you, RJ. I'm so happy. Huh? What? Sorry?
Monitor protective film.
No. Ano? Ay, mga mamut pap. And finally, thank you, Lord. I found it here in BIC. BIC nga ba? Camera. Here in Japan. Kasama ng tour guide ko, jowa ni Joe. I'm sorry. I'm just so happy. Tata. Will you put everything on? Like, will you put this one and this one? One set. RJ! Halika, Japanese mo nga. Halika ma. 1 second. Like, can you help me? Or I'll do? No. Okay. So, hindi. Sabi ko, tulungan niya ang pagpuput. Di ba pwede? Ako magpuput. Oh, why? Why?
Pag binuksan na,
Open or not? There are no quality. There are no quality. Yeah, finally, tax-free, finally. Woohoo! Oh, from 96,000 to 88,000. That time, I will use my credit card. Woohoo! Yeah. You. Yeah. Lucky charm kita. Thank you, Lord. Okay, how much is 90? Yeah. So I will use my credit card. Where's my credit card? How much can you pay? Oo nga. Bakit ang mahal mo? Iba yun sa buong raw nakasale lang. O, tara na. Guys, I love Japan. Mga mamot pa ako. I finally found someone. Someone daw. And I'm here in Ginza. Kung saan maraming ang slow.